The forecast calls for occasional spring showers this morning, followed by partial clear.
Don't let this happen to you. You've got to know the dimensions of your room for your new sofa. And don't forget to leave room for end tables and floor lamps. Will the sofa fit through the doorways? Are the legs removable? Are there stairs to climb? Measure it. Measure all the openings to where your new sofa is located. Ready to assemble and modular furniture is exactly what you need. Ready to assemble furniture can be moved from delivery truck to home or room to room easily. Who knows, you might even move someday. Moving on, let's take a look at comfort and fit. The softest of the sofas is the loose back. Another type of sofa is the tight back. These are generally firmer and occasionally tufted. This type of sofa is easiest to maintain, seeing as how there are no loose cushions to contend with. Who doesn't love to take a nap? The bench seat sofa is perfect for this. Flipping cushions and seats on loose back sofas are a great way to spread the wear around. Keep in mind, sitting between cushions might be a little awkward. Speaking of awkward, throw pillows will ease firmness. We know you'll make the right decision so everyone is happy. Let's take a little look at durability and maintenance. The intended use of the sofa is an important fact to consider. Will the sofa be used in a room that rarely gets used, such as a library? Maybe it's in the living room that only gets used around the holidays, or is it the family room? I can never remember. Knowing the room and intended use of the sofa is going to be very helpful in deciding on the right upholstery that will meet your expectations. Thanks for watching the Inspire Q Sofa Buying Guide, and don't forget to like and subscribe.